Today we're checking out this portable power station from Gooloo. Having power out and about, no matter if you're traveling, camping, just away from a normal power source, having enough power for electronics is a huge must-have these days, and it's an important factor for me, who's always trying to stay connected. Unfortunately, I do turn it off every now and then. So they did send this out to me for a full honest review, but I'm going to tell you like it is, the pros and cons. I do have a couple cons with this, but overall it's pretty good if you're looking for a portable battery. Now this thing is on the edge of portable. It weighs about 3 pounds, so it's going to have to be something that you're not like hiking with a lot. 3 pounds is a lot. I know I used to be a Boy Scout, and man, the stuff that we used to carry on our back is just heavy. But having one of these back then would have been a huge plus. Anyways, I'm just rambling on. Anyways, this thing is great to charge up your electronics and even some small maybe even little appliances, maybe like a fan or something. I'm not quite sure if it's going to work with a coffee machine. If you're charging up drones, computers, phones, that's all good and dandy here. I did try this out with a hair straightener. Anything with heat, this thing's just not powerful enough. It does come with the inverter, and it's really nice that you can charge up with this inverter also. So if you want to put this in your car and charge up via car, you can definitely do so. It does charge up at more than 100 watts using this inverter. They say it could charge up with AC power too if you use their adapter, but I don't have their adapter, and even though I've tried different 100-watt plus adapters to charge us up, it just didn't get more than 65 watts in. Not a huge deal. That's still pretty fast to charge up this battery. Now on the device you have 2 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C, which is your main input. That's how you're going to charge up this unit, and it's also your USB-C out. Now if you use the power converter, which is a cigarette lighter or car adapter, you'll get 2 more ports, 1 USB-A, 1 USB-C, and then you also get the AC normal power plug. But like I said, this thing's not very powerful. Also, don't recommend this for high-end electronics. This is a modified sine wave instead of the pure sine wave, which is what you want for high-end electronics like this MacBook Pro. So don't use it on your MacBook Pro unless you're in a pinch. Obviously, you can also use the USB-C wire directly into the USB-C port instead of using the power adapter. I love it. It has a built-in screen so you can see how much power is left and the wattage coming in and out. It also has a built-in light with a SOS feature and it's like a strobe feature. Overall, I think this is a great purchase as long as you don't mind the minor cons that I said in this video. Hope this video was helpful. See you guys on next one. Thanks for watching.